Hello, my dear friend. In this video, I will tell you how to make a temporary tattoo on the body. This instruction will help you make beautiful body decor. Step by step, here's how I apply a temporary transfer tattoo to my body. I peel off the protective film and place the transfer tattoo with the design facing my body. I dampen the tattoo with a wet cloth on the outer side, gently pressing the e-paper against my skin for about 30 seconds. Carefully, I remove the paper and enjoy my temporary tattoo. Watch my other how-to videos for inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.